Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel where we review the latest gadgets and gizmos on. Today, we delve into the world of Apple AirTags, those nifty little trackers that keep your valuables safe. But wait, there's more. We've curated the creme de la creme, the top 5 AirTag accessories that'll elevate your tracking game. From sleek leather key rings to rugged cases, we've got you covered. Stick around till the end, you won't want to miss our surprising pick. Let's dive in. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The world of AirTag accessories with the Caseology Vault. If you're tired of losing your keys or misplacing your wallet, stick around, this might be the solution you've been waiting for. Body, 5 sections, each 50 words, compact design and durability. First up, let's talk about the Caseology Vault's design. It's sleek, matte black, and fits seamlessly onto your valuable accessories, think keys, bags, wallets, and even your dog's collar. The sandstone textured TPU material ensures durability, keeping your AirTags safe. Waterproof protection, worried about rain or accidental spills? Fear not. The Vault is waterproof, so your AirTags remain shielded even in unexpected downpours. Plus, the sturdy AirTag carrying adds an extra layer of security. Clip and go convenience, the built-in carabiner is a game changer. Clip your AirTag to anything, your gym bag, backpack, or even your furry friend's collar. It's hassle-free and perfect for those always on the move. Dual-sided opening for sound transmission. Unlike some cases, the Vault opens on both sides. Why does this matter? Well, it ensures excellent sound transmission for your AirTag. No more muffled alerts, you'll hear that familiar ping loud and clear. Easy installation. Installing the Vault is a breeze. Just slide your AirTag in, and you're good to go. The thoughtful design makes it user-friendly, even for tech novices. Conclusion: so, should you invest in the Caseology Vault? Absolutely. It combines style, protection, and practicality. Whether you're tracking your keys or keeping tabs on your adventurous pup, this AirTag case has you covered. Number 4. The rusty AirTag keychain for Apple AirTags holder. Introduction. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of AirTag accessories, and we've got something pretty cool to share with you. It's the rusty AirTag keychain. Glowing star. Body, durable, easy to use. First up, let's talk about durability. The rusty AirTag keychain is crafted from soft PU leather, making it sweat-proof, scratch-resistant, and ready for everyday adventures. Plus, the easy-to-open spring ring clasp ensures quick attachment and removal. Fashionable all-match. Now, style matters, right? Well, this protective case doesn't disappoint. It's made of solid color leather, giving it a mature and versatile look. Whether you're rocking jeans or a fancy outfit, your AirTag will blend right in. Use occasion. Where can you use this nifty accessory? Pretty much anywhere. Attach it to your car key, your bag, your child's school bag, or even your dog's leash. And guess what? You can easily swap and change where you attach your AirTag. Flexibility, folks. Perfect fit design. Okay, let's get technical. The rusty AirTag keychain is specifically designed for the Apple new AirTag. It fits snugly around your AirTag, ensuring it stays put. No more frantic searches for your keys or wallet. Conclusion: in summary, the rusty AirTag keychain is a must-have if you're an AirTag user. It's durable, stylish, and super practical. So, go ahead and upgrade your tracking game. Number 3. The world of Apple AirTag accessories. Specifically, we'll be reviewing the Belkin Apple AirTag secure holder with key ring. If you're tired of misplacing your keys, pets, or luggage, this might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Let's get started. Body, durable, dependable, 50 words. The Belkin AirTag case keychain is a game changer. Its twist and lock design ensures that your AirTag stays securely in place, eliminating any worries about it slipping off accidentally. No more frantic searches for your keys or backpack, this holder has got you covered. Whether they're off to school or on a family trip, this discreet accessory keeps you informed and worry-free. Thoughtfully designed, 50 words. Not only does the AirTag holder keep your Apple AirTags safe, but it also adds a touch of style. The raised edges protect your AirTag from scuffs and scratches, while still showcasing any personalized engravings. It's functional and fashionable, a win-win. Choose your style, 50 words. Personalization is key. With various design options and colors, you can match your AirTag case to your style. Attach it to your luggage, pet's collar, or even your gym bag. Plus, different colors make identification a breeze. Conclusion: thanks for tuning in to our Belkin Apple AirTag secure holder review. If you're tired of losing track of your essentials, this little accessory might just be your new best friend. Number 2. The world of Apple AirTag accessories with the Spigen Valentinus case. If you're tired of losing your keys or wallet, this might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Let's get started. Body, design and build quality, 50 words. The Spigen Valentinus case is crafted from a durable layer of pleather, giving it a premium feel. The finely knitted texture adds a touch of sophistication. Plus, the slim design ensures it won't bulk up your essentials. Secure closure and cutouts. The secure button closure keeps your AirTag snugly in place, while the clever cutouts allow the AirTag to shine through. No more fumbling around to check if your keys are still there, it's all visible at a glance. Carabiner convenience. Spigen includes a handy carabiner with the Valentinus case. Attach it to your bag, belt loop, or even your dog's collar, the choice is yours. Now you can keep track of your belongings without missing a beat. AirTag compatibility, designed specifically for the AirTag, 2021, the Valentinus case ensures a seamless fit. It won't interfere with the AirTag's Bluetooth functionality, so you can track your items effortlessly. Personalization and style, available in classic black, the Valentinus case lets you express your style while keeping your AirTag safe. Whether you're a minimalist or love a touch of elegance, this case has got you covered. Conclusion: in summary, the Spigen Valentinus compatible with Apple AirTag case is a sleek, practical accessory that combines style and functionality. Say goodbye to lost keys and hello to peace of mind. Number 1. The AirTag world, the Elevation Lab TagVault. Let's explore how this fabric mount takes your AirTag game to the next level. Body, easy installation, 50 words. The TagVault is a breeze to set up. Simply attach it to your luggage, purse, backpack, or jacket. It's like giving your belongings a secret superhero power. No more fumbling around with sticky tape or complicated instructions. Flexibility and discretion. Unlike rigid mounts, the TagVault flexes and moves with your fabric. It's discreet, blending seamlessly into your style. Whether you're a fashion-forward traveler or a minimalist, this little gem won't cramp your style. Built tough. Ever had your bag thrown around like a rag doll? TagVault can handle it. Engineered to withstand impact, it won't flinch when items get shoved into your bag. Your AirTag stays safe and sound. Adhesion magic. The TagVault sticks like a loyal sidekick. It securely adheres to nylon, polyester, vinyl, rubberized fabrics, and even Gore-Tex. After 24 hours, it's locked in place. Just remember, it's not designed for stretchy fabrics, leather, or suede. Customer support got issues? Fear not. Elevation Lab has your back. If anything goes awry, they'll replace your TagVault. And hey, it's worth mentioning, this pack doesn't include an Apple AirTag. You'll need to bring your own. Conclusion: so there you have it, folks, the Elevation Lab TagVault. It's like a trusty sidekick for your AirTag, keeping it secure and discreet. If you're tired of losing your keys or wondering where your bag ended up, give this fabric mount a shot. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.